Many Koreans love to eat fast food. To illustrate, there is chicken, pizza, hamburger, and cheeseburger. Most people eat chicken and pizza for fast food, so some people fight pizza or chicken. I love both of foods. In my opinion, I like chicken than pizza. First of all, it's more healthy than pizza. That's because it has protein. I know that chicken meat have many protein. Also, pizza have fat in bread. Fat is sometimes good for our body, but a lot of fat makes very more weight. Fat also makes cholesterol. Additionally, I eat chicken when like party. That's because some Koreans sometimes eat chicken, so I hard to eat. Also, it's Korean culture. The Korean adult go restaurant, they eat chicken with sports game. It's like British to go to pub. Korean people don't eat pizza when watching sports game. In addition, Korean adults really stress to eat chicken. To summarize, it's more healthy than pizza, and I eat chicken when like party, so I like chicken than pizza. Thank you for listening my speech.